The barricades protecting some of Italy's coastline were no match for the storm. It brought 180 km/h winds and a surge of water, inflicting some of its heaviest damage on the northwestern town of Rapallo. In the east, water levels in Venice rose so high most of the city was flooded, and officials closed St. Mark's Square.
What happened is that it rained a lot, and many small rivers broke their banks.
But Italy isn't the only country that's been battered by the storm. Croatia's coastal towns were also dealt gale-force winds and torrential rains. The State Weather Service issued a red alert for most of the Adriatic region. And further north, scores of people were evacuated from Lagoon, an Austrian town on the border with Slovenia. Several roads were closed and thousands of people were left without power.
Rescue services and divers are here, evacuating more people. They are also supporting the emergency services, firefighters, and the police.
Italy's been hit the hardest. Meteorologists say it's the worst flooding they've seen in 10 years. Authorities have begun cleaning up, but the full extent of the damage won't be known until the waters subside. Reagan Des Vignes, TRT World.